Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick video. The shower glass comes in tomorrow and we lose a little bit of this detail, so I wanted to show you this before that, and then we're going to have this professionally shot. We're here to put in the towel bars and things. This is a huge bathroom, tile floor, heated. We put in large vanities. You see the mirrors, the lights. Love that shower, get to that at the moment. We put a switch in here. It's a very long way to get to the restroom, so we have an automatic soft lighting right here that will come on in the middle of the night. You have to go to the restroom, it comes on, turns itself off after it rests for 30 seconds. Custom closets here and here. Back to the vanities. Love this floor, and I love this tile. And that is Uba Tuba, if you remember the old dark granite color. Brought that back. Here this is, the amazing tub. These go down or up. One quick sweep around. And that's it. All right, folks. Have a great day.